Today I am reviewing the Skytech Shiva gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and sleek gaming desktop that can handle today's most demanding games, the Skytech Shiva gaming PC is an excellent choice. This pre-built gaming desktop is designed for gamers who want top performance right out of the box, without the hassle of building or troubleshooting components. At the heart of the Shiva gaming PC is the AMD Ryzen 5600GT processor, running at a base clock of 3.6 GHz with turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz. This 6-core, 12-thread CPU delivers fast and responsive performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or handling productivity tasks. From opening applications to multitasking between games and streaming software, the Ryzen 5 ensures smooth, lag-free operation. Paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz, this PC provides excellent multitasking capabilities. You can run multiple applications, keep a web browser open with dozens of tabs, and still enjoy consistent performance during intense gaming sessions. And with a 500GB NVMe M.2 SSD, you're getting lightning-fast storage that loads your games, software, and operating system much faster than traditional hard drives, with up to 30 times the speed. Graphics are another area where the Skytech Shiva really shines. While the exact GPU isn't specified, the system is engineered to handle 1080p full HD gaming at ultra settings for popular titles like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Valorant, Elden Ring, and even AAA RPGs like Baldur's Gate 3 and Black Myth, Wukong. Expect smooth gameplay above 60 frames per second from most modern titles, ensuring you get both beautiful visuals and responsive action. The cooling system is thoughtfully designed with a high-performance air cooler and 3 ARGB fans to maximize airflow. This keeps the system running efficiently and quietly, even during marathon gaming sessions. The Win 101 MATX mid-tower case with tempered glass not only allows you to admire the internal components, but also offers a clean, modern look that fits nicely into any gaming setup. Connectivity options are plentiful. The Skytech Shiva comes with Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, multiple USB ports including USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and high-definition audio with microphone support. This makes it easy to connect monitors, peripherals, and gaming accessories without any adapters or complicated setups. Another standout feature is the ready-to-play package. The PC comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, a free gaming keyboard, and a mouse, allowing you to start gaming immediately. Plus, it's assembled in the USA and comes with a 1-year warranty and free technical support, giving you peace of mind that help is available if you need it. In summary, the Skytech Shiva gaming PC is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a dependable gaming system with strong performance, a sleek design, and the ability to play modern AAA games at high settings. With its combination of the Ryzen 5 processor, 16 GB of RAM, NVMe SSD, and robust cooling system, it's perfectly suited for both casual and serious gamers. Whether you're diving into competitive esports or exploring vast open-world adventures, the Shiva gaming PC delivers a smooth, immersive, and enjoyable gaming experience.